Welcome to Little Health Heroes! Let's learn, explore, and grow strong together!
Look at Sammy's shiny tooth.
Help! They're everywhere!
Can Sammy save his teeth?
Good morning, Sammy. It's a brand new day.
Sammy is just waking up.
Yawn! Good morning!
But wait, someone else woke up too.
We're still here!
Oh no, not again!
Welcome to Tooth World, where all of Sammy's teeth live.
Hi, everyone!
I think someone is hiding back here.
Oh my! The sugar bugs are turning Sammy's teeth into their playground! Whee! This place is so much fun!
When teeth aren't brushed, sugar bugs love to stay and play. This is the best party ever!
I don't feel very clean.
But don't worry, someone is coming to help.
It's Super Toothbrush! Uh-oh.
Here comes Super Toothbrush. Don't worry, Sammy. I'm here to help. Together, we can make your smile sparkle.
Let's do it!
Are you ready to brush the right way? Let's make your smile sparkle.
I'm ready!
Every superhero needs a helper. Hi, Sammy! I'm ready to help make your teeth super clean. Just a pea-sized amount of toothpaste is all you need.
Perfect! Let's start by brushing the front of our teeth. Brush in little circles, nice and gentle.
That feels wonderful!
Keep brushing. Look, your sparkle power is full.
I did it!
You're a super tooth hero.
Yay!
Now brush the tops of your teeth, where food likes to hide. Clean every little groove.
I'm super clean!
Whoa! We can't hold on! Great job! The front teeth are clean and shiny. The sugar bugs are hiding behind the back teeth.
They'll never find us.
Let's brush the back teeth too.
I won't forget them.
Brush every back tooth with gentle little circles.
Thank you, Sammy! Hooray! Every tooth is sparkling!
Don't forget your tongue.
Hello! Please brush me too!
Nice and gentle. Brushing your tongue helps keep your whole mouth fresh and clean.
That feels great!
Every brush makes your smile even stronger.
Now it's time to rinse your mouth. Swish, swish, swish. Spit the water into the sink. My teeth feel so clean! Hooray!
Fantastic job! Today you learned how to brush your teeth the right way.
Brush every morning and every night. I love my healthy smile.
If you had fun, give this video a big
Thumbs up. Subscribe for more fun and we'll see you next time.